Here we are doing a sort of experimental video inspired by Paula Stewart. This is a decision space. It's not an infinite decision space because, as we know from Spinoza, that would be the mind of God. This decision space is bounded by some sort of problem and various organizations and people who are involved. When they start working on this problem, eventually what they're going to do is they're going to fold this decision space they will get more clarity about what they think is going on, and they will begin to take some direction. But on the other hand, the decision space they'll be working in will have gotten smaller for them. This will let them keep working, and as they work, they will explore things, they will try things, they will do things, and eventually they will transform the decision space again. The space of possible outcomes will get smaller, but the actual outcome will get more concrete and more available. And they will be able to engage with it more directly. And as they engage, they will make more decisions. Maybe they will be decisions made by developers, maybe by clients, maybe by executives. But at any rate, eventually those decisions will cause another transformation. And they will have something that looks more like a product, a solution to the problem they started out with. Now, there's not necessarily a way of knowing how much limitation their transformations have to affect on the decision space before the various parties involved are ready to say they're finished, that they have something that they can move into their lives and try to use. Sometimes what they've made might be more useful to them if they don't fold it as far down as they can, if they leave various possibilities open in the decision space. Sometimes they will want the most concrete solution they can get. They will want to keep transforming the work, and as they transform it, it will continue to open onto fewer possible decision spaces and be more available and offer more affordances. However, there is a natural limit to this process. In topology, there is a theorem that says that a space like this cannot be folded more than 7 times. As the people work on the decision space and attempt to make it more concrete and bring it more into the actual world and have fewer possibilities and fewer outlets into unknown decision spaces in it, with enough transformations, they will hit a point where you could say they will not be able to transform it further, or maybe you could say that transforming it further will not actually change its state. And that will be as much of a concrete outcome as they can develop. This was a very interesting video for me to think about and make. I hope you enjoyed it as well.